Okay, next naman. So far, yung mga quadratic equation na finactor natin ay meron ng dalawang terms. Yung una, di ba, is 6x squared plus 12x equals 0. So, dalawa lang yung terms. And yung pangalawa, I think, was x squared minus 25 equals 0. So, dalawang terms. However, if you can still remember, ang standard form ng quadratic equations is this. Wait. A squared, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Diba? Well, as you can see, tatlo yung terms dito. Or 3 terms. I need to use the colors more. Sayang, no? Okay, so let's do that. Let's factor quadratic equations with 3 terms. So there are 2 kinds of quadratic equations na merong 3 terms. 2 kinds, 3 terms. Okay. So, first kind, second kind is this. It's where a is equal to 1, and here it's a does not equal 1. Okay, so what does that mean? What does that mean? Tingnan muna natin yung a equals 1. Okay? A equals 1. If you still remember, general form is this. So we need this to be equal to 1. Okay? So yun yung first case. For example, this equation, x squared plus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. As you can see, a is equal to 1 here. I mean, kapag wala siyang walang nakalagay, it's already given na 1 yung exponent. 1 yung nakalagay doon. Kapag walang nakalagay, 1 ang nakalagay. Okay? X squared plus 7x plus 12 equals 0. Okay. So, anong gagawin natin kapag ganyan yung quadratic equation? Actually, easy lang din yan. Madali lang din. Kapag 3 terms, 1, 2, and 3, ano ba yan? Nabubura ko. Okay. Kapag 3 terms, and yung first term, a equals 1, ang kailangan mong gawin is this. Yung second term and third term, kukunin mo yung, di ba ito ay B and C? Or I mean, B and C. You will get B and C. And what you need to do is find numbers that na kapag pinag-times mo, you'll find, wait, pag pinag-times mo, dapat wait lang. So, meron tayo ditong 7 and 12. You will find numbers na kapag, you will find two numbers na dapat pag pinag-add mo equals to B, equals to B. At kapag pinag-times mo, equals to C. So, ano bang dalawang number na pag pinag-add mo equals 7 at pag pinag-times mo equals 12? Can you think of such a number? Okay, have you thought of a number? 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Okay? Magkapareho dapat. 3 plus 4, 3 times 4, 7, 12. Okay? Alright. So, 3 and 4 ang numbers natin. And from now on, it's super easy. You just do this. Remember, the numbers are 3 and 4. What you have to do is this. Get x plus 3. So, dito yan galing. And then next, x plus 4 equals 0. Ayun na yun. Tapos na. Na-factor mo na. It was that easy. It's not even that hard. May nagja-chat. No. Tapos na. So, remember, kapag 3 terms, 1, 2, 3, and the first term, a is equal to 1, either a equals 1, either nakalagay siya dito explicit or implicitly, or walang nakalagay dyan. Both are equal to 1. You just need to remember that kung walang nakalagay, like x equals x raised to 1. Kung walang nakalagay, well, meron dyang 1. Also, x equals x times 1. Just remember that. So, kapag 1, pag meron ditong 1 at 3 terms, meron ditong 1, and there are 3 terms, yeah, you need to get B and C. You need to get two numbers that you can add and you can multiply so that it's equal to this, equal to this. Okay. So 7 and 12. in this case, 3 plus 4 and 3 times 4. 3 times 4. Okay? So, this is the final answer. Tapos kung makuha yung dalawang number na yun, you use them and put them in this formula. So, parehong addition lang. Well, sometimes, yung makukuha mong number dito is negative, in which case, maging negative yung ilalagay mo dito. But in this case, positive sila. So, well, positive ilalagay natin. Okay.